Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do the reading part of lesson 3, My Country and Its Landscape. My country country and its landscape. Landscape, landscape. All of you open chapter 3 in your textbooks, My Country and Its Landscape, and we are going to do the reading part of the lesson. See, knowing our country. KNOWING, knowing our, OUR, our country. COUNTRY, country. India, INDIA, India is the southern, SOUTHERN, southern part of the continent. CONTINENT, continent of Asia, ASIA, Asia. It is the seventh, seventh largest, 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 and second, SECOND, second most populated, POPULATED, populated country, COUNTRY, country in the world, WORLD, world. It stretches, STRETCHES, it stretches about 3,214 kilometers from north, 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 to south, 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 and 2,933 kilometers from east, 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 to west, WEST, west. See, knowing our country. India is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest and second most populated country in the world. It stretches about 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Location, being located in the southern part, SOUTHERN, southern part of Asia, ASIA, Asia. India is surrounded, SURROUNDED, surrounded by water, 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 on three sides. The Bay of Bengal, BAY, Bay of Bengal, 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 on the east, EAST, east. The Arabian Sea, ARABIAN, Arabian Sea, on the west, and the Indian Ocean, INDIAN, Indian OCEAN, ocean, on the south. Being located in the southern part of Asia, India is surrounded by water on three sides. The Bay of Bengal on the east, the Arabian Sea on the west, and the Indian Ocean on the south. India shares, INDIA, India shares, SHARES, shares its borders, BORDERS, borders with Pakistan, 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 and Afghanistan, AFGHANISTAN, Afghanistan. To the northwest, China, 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 Nepal, 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 and Bhutan, BHUTAN, Bhutan. To the north and northeast, and Myanmar, 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 and Bangladesh, BANGLADESH, Bangladesh. To the east, Sri Lanka, SRILANKA, Sri Lanka, and Maldives, 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 lie to the south of the country, 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 and are Indians' neighbors, INDIAS, India's neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. See, India shares its borders with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north and northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south of the country and are India's neighbors. States and Union Territories of India, STATES, States and Union, UNION, Union Territories, TERRITORIES, Territories of India. Today, 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 India has a population, POPULATION, population of over 1 billion, BILLION, billion people, PEOPLE, people. In order to look after the citizens, CITIZENS, citizens of the country, 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 and to run it smoothly, SMOOTHLY, smoothly. It has been divided, DIVIDED, divided into states, 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 and union territories, UNION, union territories, 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 including INCLUDING, including the national, NATIONAL, the national capital, 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 territory, TERRITORY, territory of Delhi, DELHI, Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India, where the President, 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 the Prime Minister, PRIME, Prime, MINISTER, the Prime Minister, and other ministers of the central government, CENTRAL, central, GOVERNMENT, government, live, LIVE, live. The offices, OFFICES, offices of government, GOVERNMENT, government of India, 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 are also based, BASED, based in this city. The capital, CAPITAL, the capital city, CITY, city of a state, STAT, state, is the city from where its government, 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 functions, FUNCTIONS, functions. See, again I am reading the paragraph, children, listen carefully. States and Union Territories of India. Today, India has a population of over 1 billion people. In order to look after the citizens of the country and to run it smoothly, it has been divided into states and union territories, including the national capital territory of Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India, where the President, the Prime Minister and other ministers of the central government live. The offices of Government of India are also based in this city. The capital city of a state is the city from where its government functions. Children, we will continue from Physical Division of India. We will continue this reading part from our next class. Okay? Bye all of you.